Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about what are the conditions for aromaticity of molecule. What are the conditions for aromaticity of the molecule? This is our topic. We right now discuss about the conditions required for aromatic character of a molecule. So this video is going to be very important for you because aromatic or non-aromatic finding require some conditions, and I discuss about these conditions. What are the conditions required to find out the molecule as aromatic or non-aromatic? So before starting this discussion, I would like to remind you once more time that if you do not subscribe this channel or you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe this channel right now and hit the notification button in order to get the new video upload notification. So we start our discussions right now. First of all, what are the conditions for a molecule to be aromatic? First condition is the molecule must be a cyclic. Second condition is that molecule must be a planar molecule. Third condition is molecule must have a delocalized pi electron system. Delocalized pi electron system. So these are the main three conditions required for the aromatic character. And another one rule that is required to be an aromatic molecule, it is the Huckel's rule of aromaticity. So what are the rules for a molecule to be aromatic? The first rule is molecule must be cyclic. Cyclic means molecule must be like this. Molecule must be a cyclic molecule. The second condition is molecule must be a planar molecule. Planar molecule means all the carbon atoms in the molecules or all the atoms in the molecule must be sp2 hybridized, planar. And third condition is delocalized pi electrons. Delocalized pi electrons or pi bonds. Delocalized pi bonds must have delocalized pi bonds or delocalized electron system. Delocalized electron system. And the fourth condition is Huckel's rule. Fourth condition is Huckel's rule, and according to Huckel, that the molecule to be aromatic if it has 4n plus 2 pi electrons. If the molecule has 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then molecule can be an aromatic compound where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, so these are the main four conditions that are required for a molecule to be aromatic. One is cyclic, another is planar, another is delocalized pi electron, and 4 is Huckel's rule of aromaticity. Okay, delocalized pi electrons, planar, cyclic, and Huckel 4n plus 2 pi electrons. You can also write it here pi electrons. Delocalized pi electrons, cyclic, planar, Huckel 4n plus 2 rule. If the molecule is obeying these four conditions, then the molecule must be an aromatic molecule. So we start to judge the aromaticity of a molecule. That molecule is aromatic or molecule is non-aromatic. If any one of these conditions, these four conditions, are not satisfied, then any one of these conditions, then the molecule should be a non-aromatic molecule. Okay, for molecule to be aromatic, these four conditions must be satisfied, otherwise the molecule should not be aromatic, it is non-aromatic molecule. Suppose we are taking the example of benzene. For this molecule, the molecule is cyclic, molecule is planar because each carbon is sp2 hybridized, sp2 sp2 sp2, so all the carbons in the benzene ring are sp2 hybridized. So for this reason the molecule is cyclic, molecule is planar, and these electron pairs are delocalized, means the pi bond, it contains delocalized pi electron system. So our third condition is also satisfied, delocalized pi electron, it has delocalized pi bond and pi electrons, and 4n plus 2 rule. The next important thing is 4n plus 2 rule. Here if we place n equal to 1 in the Huckel's rule, then we are seeing 4 into 1 plus 2, that means 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons. Here benzene contain 1 2 3 pi bonds, which means one pi bond have 2 electrons, so 3 pi bonds that have total 3 into 2 means 6 pi electrons. So n equal to 1, for n equal to 1, Huckel's rule of aromaticity, 4n plus 2, for n equal to 1, 4n plus 2, if n equal to 1 in if we put n equal to 1 for 4n plus 2 rules, we are finding that 6 pi electron, 4 into 1 plus 2, that means 6 pi electron. Benzene has 3 into 2, 6 pi electrons. So for this reason benzene is aromatic. Benzene is an aromatic molecule because it satisfies all the conditions of aromaticity. Number one condition, molecule is cyclic, molecule is planar, molecule have delocalized pi electrons, molecule obeys Huckel 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So for this reason this is an aromatic molecule. Next, suppose we have example of this molecule, we have to check that this molecule is an aromatic molecule or not. For this reason it is cyclic, it is cyclic, it is planar, all carbons are sp2 hybridized, so molecule is a planar, it has delocalized electron, means delocalized pi electron, means it can form resonance structure. This plus charge is filled up and plus is forming here, and next time plus is forming here in this corner. So that means this molecule have delocalized pi electron system, the molecule is delocalized, the pi bond is delocalized. So for this reason we can say this can have a delocalized pi electrons, have planar structure, have cyclic. So now we have to apply the 4n plus 2 rule. Here if we put n equal to 0, then the answer is 2 pi. Here the one pi bond is present, that means 2 pi electrons. So 2 pi electron is present in this molecule. So for this reason this molecule is aromatic molecule. This molecule is an example of aromatic molecules. Okay, we will see other some examples of molecules that the molecules are aromatic or not. So this one cyclooctatetraene, is this molecule is an aromatic molecule or not? We have to check it. See here, the double bond is present one by one, means conjugated double bond is present in this molecule. Molecule is cyclic, molecule has delocalized pi electron, molecule is planar, but the molecule have 1 2 3 4 5 4 into 2, that means 8 pi electrons. Pi electron, 8 pi electrons. Actually in the rule 4n plus 2, if we put n equal to 2, then it becomes 10 pi electron. Okay, so for putting 1 n equal to 1, we get 6 pi electron, means 6 pi electron and 10 pi electron system are aromatic, but here it has 8 pi electron system. 8 pi electron system is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic because we know that 10 pi electron, 6 pi electron, 2 pi electrons, these are aromatic, but here it is it has the 10 pi electrons, 10 pi electron systems, 8 pi electrons, and 8 pi electron systems are not aromatic. Okay, 8 pi electron systems should not be aromatic, it must have the 10 pi electrons. For this molecule, we have to check that this molecule is an aromatic or non-aromatic molecule. This molecule is cyclic, this molecule is planar, this molecule has double bond, means delocalized double bond, delocalized pi electrons, and it has 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 into 2 means 12 pi electrons. 12 pi electron. See here, 4n plus 2, if we place 4 into 3, no, here each ring individually 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 into 2, 12 pi, actually 10 pi, 2 plus 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Actually we have to see here each benzene ring has 6 pi and 6 pi electron here. This benzene ring has 6 pi electron and this benzene ring has 6 pi electron. So for this reason this one is aromatic. This molecule is an example of aromatic molecule because each benzene ring, these two benzene rings are present in this molecule biphenyl. So these two ring has 6 pi electron and this molecule is an aromatic molecule. Two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Suppose we have this molecule and we have to check this molecule is aromatic or non-aromatic. Cyclic planar 1 by 1 double bond means delocalized pi electrons are present, delocalized pi electrons. Okay, so first three conditions are satisfied. Next one condition is Huckel's rule of aromaticity. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 2 means 10 pi. It has 10 pi electron system. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 electrons, 5 bonds, that means 10 pi. So Huckel's rule says that 4n plus 2, if n equal to 2, then it is 10 pi. So it has 10 pi electron system, and for this reason this molecule is aromatic molecule. This one is an example of aromatic molecule because it satisfied all four conditions of aromaticity: cyclic, planar, delocalized pi electron system present. Huckel's rule already have obeyed Huckel's rule. So because of the satisfying of all the four conditions, the molecule is an aromatic molecule. You can see the example of naphthalene. Naphthalene molecule is also an aromatic molecule because here it is cyclic, planar, and have a delocalized pi electron system and have 3 plus 2 means 5, double bond means 5 means 5 into 2, 10 pi electrons present here, 10 pi. So for this reason this is aromatic. This molecule is aromatic. Similarly, we can see the aromatic character of others like furan. Furan is cyclic, planar, and it has delocalized pi electrons. So for this reason the molecule has first three conditions, and pi electrons, these two are considered as pi electron because these are forming pi bonds. So for this reason I am drawing the resonance structure of it. It has the negative charge in this position, is forming a double bond, forming negative charge. Forming negative charge here. The next structure, we have to draw the next structure. Okay, actually we can draw these structures. After that, this one is forming a double bond here. This bond is again becoming the single bond. Okay, in this way these resonance structures etc. are shown. So for this reason the molecule is participating in resonance here. Okay, this lone pair is participating in resonance and it has 6 pi electrons, 6 pi electron, and for this reason this molecule is an aromatic molecule. Aromatic molecule, we have to draw a few resonance structures for these molecules. At first we are doing this one double bond, next this one is negative charge will form a double bond here. After that this one is forming a double bond here, and this one forming double bond, this one will withdraw as again as a negative charge. After that it can neutralize, it can be neutralized. Okay, so these are the ways of drawing the resonance structures of furan. So furan, in furan due to the all four conditions satisfying, satisfying of all four conditions, the furan is an aromatic compound. So these are the main conditions for required for a molecule to be aromatic. I think you understand these discussions. If you have any questions regarding these discussions, then you can ask me your questions in the comment section below. I am happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video is useful for you, then you can like this video, and if you find this channel is useful to you, then you can subscribe this channel.